going to demonstrate a pave design. Pave design is where the leaves are trimmed off. The stems are cut fairly short, if not very short. The flowers are placed close together. It gives the finished design a lush, luxurious look instead of being light and airy with the long stems and the leaves. It's rather dense, but the overall look is clean, tailored, and luxurious. It's a sophisticated look. So let us try. We're using the same hearts, the same mechanic. I made my own styrofoam heart out of Oasis. I put 2 pieces together and cut a heart out. I trimmed it down so it'll fit inside. And so it's waterproof. I have my trusty pan of hot glue, the little Oasis pillows that I melted. It's much stronger than the average hot glue. And I dipped it in. And then I took wire and dipped it into the hot glue and laid it on the back of it. So so we could affix it to our heart. And then I soaked it. So you dip it in dry and then you soak it, and it soaks up. It's just like the hearts that you would buy already made. So what I'm going to do is we're going to trim it down. So the square edges, as we know, are not good because you can't put anything into a square edge. So I'm trimming it down to give it that pillowy look. And we're going to put the flowers in first, and then I'll insert it into our mechanic. I'm using little asters. So we'll just cut them down a little, and we'll start by inserting them. I didn't want a big flower. I figured these were real cute. They're small. Normally you see pave done with roses or mums. with a little Ming Fern as a border. It's a soft, fluffy fern. It's very luxurious looking. I thought this would be the perfect accent for such a beautiful design. The heart is all set with the little asters. These are Aster Mardi Gras. The heart is all set. The Ming Fern is the collar of Ming Fern is all set. Now we could set this into our design. Take the wires that I have. Make sure they're all out. And we're going to take, since this has a bottom, we won't have to worry. It'll just fit right in. And we affix our wires. And we're all set. Our heart. Now, what we're going to do is to lay a few tulips on top. And to make sure that they hold in the design, we're going to use some wire and some floral tape. We're going to make hairpins out of this to tack the tulips in. Okay. Let's see. I know there was a bud hanging out here. Take this one. Take them out. Take that one. The bud. And we'll take one tulip. Doesn't take much to have these gals open. They were so closed. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to start out with our smaller tulip. And we'll use our wire. Again, we can massage it. We'll stick it in. There we go. We have one tulip in. Take this little lady here. It'll be tulip number 2. Put her in. And with some wire. Hairpin and insert 2. We'll take this lady. Just so pretty. And we'll take one more and open tulip, and we'll cut it at an angle, and we'll put her right here. There we have it. A pave design with tulip.